Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will going to discuss the important questions of financial accounting 1. So those who are pursuing BCom computers as well as BCom generals under semester 1 in Usmania University are going to have these important questions in your syllabus. These are the most important questions, and in this video we will discuss the question paper pattern, how you should write your answers in the examination, what are the important questions, what are the problematic methods you will get in the question paper, what are the tips to score O grade. Everything we will discuss in this video, and this video is most probably useful for the 2023 to 2024 academic year students. Okay, so you are going to have your examination in the month of December 2023. So now we will discuss the units. So total 5 units you are going to have in your financial accounting 1. Why I am saying all this means you are new to degree, right? So many of the students will get dilemma about this degree question paper pattern, syllabus, everything. So till inter you will have 12 chapters, 13 chapters in each subject, right? So, but in degree, you are going to have only 5 units in financial accounting 1. Okay. So, how will be the question paper pattern means? Part A consists of 20 marks, which you are going to have first question to 8 questions. So, 1 to 8 questions you will have in part A, theory as well as problematic. In that, you need to attempt 5 questions, and each carries 4 marks, which equals to 20 marks for part A. And part B consists of ninth question to 13th question. So 5 questions you need to attempt in part B. In each question you will have internal choice. Okay, are you getting my point? So part A will have 1 to 8 questions including theory as well as problematic. FA is a problematic subject. In that also they may ask theory, or else they may give some small short problematic question. They will ask to solve that question. Okay, so for that it will have 4 marks in part A. For each question you need to attempt 5 into 4. If you are attempting theory question in part A, then absolutely you should write 1.5 side page of theory answer in examination, so which it carries 4 marks. So if you are attempting theory in part A, 1.5 page must and should write, then only you can score 3 to 4 marks or 4 marks in part A for each question. And part B consists of 9 to 13th question, as I have already said. So including theory as well as problematic, both it will come in part B. So ninth question will come from unit number 1, 10th question will come from unit number 2, 11th question will come from unit number 3, 12th and 13th question will come from unit number 4 and 5. Okay, so in part B, all 5 questions you need to attempt, and each question has internal choice. So some students may get uh, that doubt, what means in ninth question you have attempted A, you have attempted B. Both questions you have attempted in ninth question. Whether you will get 12 marks plus 12 marks 24 marks? No, it will want to get 12 plus 12. It consider, the invigilator will consider only one question, either A or B. So many of the students will do mistake in this particular point only. Okay, so don't do that. So coming back to the syllabus content, you are having 5 units, as I already said. Accounting process is the first unit, subsidiary books is the second unit, bank reconciliation statement is third unit, fourth and fifth is final accounts and rectification of errors. So if you are MEC or CEC student in intermediate, then it will be easy for financial accounting 1. So coming back to the important question, unit number 1, short. For short I have given 5 theory important questions. Differences between journal and ledger, so that is the important question. For long they may ask one theory and one problem they will ask from unit number 1. For theory I have given 4 questions. What are the problematic methods they will ask also we will discuss in the further video. So this is the important theory questions. So just make a note on this and follow these important questions for your final examination. Okay, and lead and importance of accounting standards, and advantages and disadvantages of accounting. These are the basic questions from unit number 1, as well as the very 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 much important questions for unit number 1. Sometimes they may ask differences between bookkeeping and accounting for long, then you need to write differences between them. So, as it consists of 12 marks in part B, side by side 3 pages must and should you should write for theory. Otherwise, you won't get full marks. Okay. And coming back to the problematic, I have already said that you will get one problematic question for long, and for short also you are having chances. Okay. Journal entry is the compulsory question which you will get as problematic in part B. Okay, so trial balance is useful for the part A. And coming back to the second unit, for short I have given 5 questions. In this, for theory, advantages of subsidiary books is the important. What is mean by debit note? What is mean by credit note? What is contra entry? These are the important theory questions for unit number 2. And coming back to the long theory important questions, advantages and disadvantages of subsidiary books, as well as types of subsidiary books. These are the two important questions from unit number 2. So you are having chances to get theory as well as problematic. If they ask problematic, 3 column cash book compulsory problematic question in part B. Okay, so my suggestion to you all is you should be perfect with problematic. Don't keep too many hopes on theory. Okay, so at as it is a problematic subject, you will get 80% of problematic in question paper. So don't. Some students will learn only theory in this subject and they will think that they will get passing marks, but no, you should attempt minimum 2 to 3 sums in answer booklet, then only you will get passing marks. Otherwise you won't get passed marks. Okay, so 3 column cash book is the most important problematic method and compulsory it will come from part B, amma. Okay, so 2 column cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase returns, all these are subsidiary books, right? So if you are perfect with this method, then you can absolutely write theory answers also. And coming back to the third unit, bank reconciliation statement, I have given only 4 theory questions. What is mean by BRS? BRS stands for bank reconciliation statement. Okay, and also what is passbook and what are the differences between cash book and passbook is the important theory questions for short. And problematic compulsory they will ask in long, too problematic they will ask in long. There is no theory questions for long in unit number 3. So you should be perfect with the bank reconciliation statement method from unit number 3. Compulsory you need to learn problematic. And coming back to the unit number 4, rectification of errors and depreciation, I have given only 2 questions theory, whether it may come or not. So, as I already said, you should give preference to problematic. Causes of differentiation, calculating methods of various depreciation. And for long, if they ask theory question, they ask only one questions, various types of errors. So it's a rare thing you will get theory in this unit. And coming back to the problematic, you are having only 2 methods, Amma. Straight line method, diminishing line method. So out of these 2 methods, you will get compulsory one method problematic in part B. So whatever I am saying in this video, so what are the lesson wise, what are the problematic methods you are getting? So make down notes about that and try to practice that method. How you should solve that journal entries, how you should solve that straight line method depreciation, how you should solve the diminishing depreciation line method. Like that you need to practice. There are various channels in YouTube. You can easily get the problem solving videos in YouTube. So pick out one channel, pick out one video and try to practice from now onwards, because as FA is a problematic paper, you won't pass with theory. Okay, and coming back to the unit number 5, it's an easy unit. So as I already said, if you are perfect in final accounts in intermediate CEC or MEC students, you can easily get this unit number 5 final accounts. So two important questions for theory for short in unit number 5. Okay, differences between trial balance and balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement, right? So balance sheet is prepared at the end of the year. So like that you need to try to learn these theory questions. One thing, if you are perfect with if you are perfect with methods, then you can absolutely write theory questions. And coming back to the problematic method, trial balance means preparation of final accounts they will ask. So in this you will have three proformas: trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet. There is no theory questions for long. Both questions 13A and 13B both come for the problematic only, which they ask to prepare you for final accounts. Then you need to understand that question. You need to write that trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. Like that you need to attempt in part B. Okay, I think I am clear to you all. So there is no theory questions in unit number 3, 4, 5. In unit number 4, one question is there, but it's a rare thing. Whether it may get or not, we can't give assurance to that. So my suggestion to you all is, don't depend on theory questions. Perfect with problematic, try to understand the concept, try to understand how you should do that problem solving. So if you learn that thing, then you can easily, if they ask theory question also, you can easily attempt by your own. Sometimes they will ask that what is the procedure of final accounts, then what you should write. So what is the procedure of final accounts means there are three stages in final accounts, that is trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet. Trading account is made for the factory expenses and incomes, and you should put some pro forma, okay, sample pro forma over there. Then you will get approximately 3 to 4 sides of answer, which you can score full marks in part B of 12 marks. So, and if you're attempting long question a problematic in examination, try to draw, try to put down that pro forma in a clear way. Okay, so make sure you are having scale, pencil, everything, columns, and debit, credit, all you should mention in the examination. If you're perfect with pro forma, if you are done your pro forma correctly, and you can easily score 8 marks, 8 to 9 marks out of 12 marks. So if you are having only calculation mistakes in FA or anything, if you are having only calculation mistake, then they can only deduct 2 to 3 marks, not full answer they won't deduct. If you are having calculation mistakes, then 2 to 3 marks they will deduct. And some of the students will asking that if they are not getting that problem, they are stucking in that question only. So don't do like that. If you are not getting that problem, half of the problem, then leave some half of the page and try to go for next answer. If you are having time at the last, then try to finish what are the something in that. Okay, so don't strike the answers in the examination booklet. So if it is a wrong thing, if you wrote wrong, then make sure you write one small bracket in that wrong, or else you please put down some small into in that answer. So some of the students will strike whole page like x mark or something they will do in that. So it gives a bad impression for the degree correction invigilators. Okay, so these are all the tips and tricks to pass in this FA subject. And if you want only passing marks in FA subject, try to learn first chapter journal entries method for problematic journal entries. Final accounts is enough to get pass marks. So for theory, first unit, fifth unit, as well as second unit. First unit, second unit, fifth unit are enough to get passing marks. Both theory as well as problematic you need to perfect. Okay, so whatever the PDFs I'm having of semester 1, either FA1 or BOM, anything of the semester 1, I will upload all the PDFs in our Telegram channel as well as in our WhatsApp group. So if you want to join in the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, all the links are mentioned in the description as well as comment section. If you want PDFs or if you want any notes, then go and check out that links and join in that groups there where you can get all the PDFs. Okay, so basically it's an easy subject, FA1. So don't be so much stressed. Okay, so try to be calm and patient, and whatever you are getting, that only you should write. But attempt full paper. If you are having time, then try to attempt extra questions also. Okay, so this is all about the video. I think that I am clear with you all about the FA1 video. If you are having any further doubts related to this subject or related to this video or related to the any other subjects, you can comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will try to answer your query. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends also. So many of the students are irregular to the colleges due to some reasons, or some of the students will make job, etc, etc. If you think that this video will be useful for them, then definitely share this channel or share this video with them. Okay, so approximately your exams will be have in the month of December 2023. So from now onwards you should prepare your preparation. You should start your preparation from this month, by the end of the October only, because you will not at all get the concept. FA1 BOM, everything is a lengthy subjects. So don't neglect your studies and try to attempt all questions, and you should be passed in all semesters, all subjects. Okay, once again all the very best and thank you so much.